William Lashua's birthday was a flash mob campaign by 4chan users to celebrate the birthday of World War II veteran William Lashua. A photo of an event flyer reading, "Wanted, People for Birthday Party" was uploaded to 4chan's random board by an anonymous user on September 1st, 2010. Posts on the random board instantly shared the information with others. Any word of Lashua's birthday party spread to other sites. The next day, Lashua's grandson responded to the post on Reddit, assuring everyone that Lashua had children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren to celebrate with. He explained that the sign was a notice for community members who already know him and might want to attend. He thanked everyone for their support, but asked that strangers not attend the party, and that while mailing cards was okay, people should make donations to a local veterans charity in lieu of sending cakes, gifts, or strippers. The birthday party was held on September 4th, and a slideshow of photographs from the event was shared the next day.